Hey everyone! In today's video, I'll show you how to set up the perfect Facebook ads columns if you're a consultant or you run ads for consultants. This setup helps you see what matters: leads, costs, appointments, and conversions, all in one view. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Ads Manager and go to Columns. First, go to your Meta Ads Manager. At the top right of the table, click the Columns button. This is where you choose what data you want to see. Consultants shouldn't use the default settings. They hide the important numbers. Step 2. Select Customize Columns. Scroll down and click Customize Columns. This gives you full control to pick exactly which metrics you want. For consultants, we focus on leads, costs, and quality, not vanity numbers. Step 3. Choose the most important metrics. Now add these key columns. Results shows how many leads or appointments you got. Cost per result, your main KPI as a consultant. Amount spent, how much you're spending per day. CTR, link click-through rate, tells you if your ad is engaging. Link clicks shows real clicks, not fake engagement. CPC, cost per link click, helpful for optimization. Landing page views shows how many people actually saw your page. Leads, for your lead objective. Cost per lead. Conversions, if you track appointments. Cost per conversion. These are the exact columns agencies and consultants use to track performance. Step 4. Save the column setup. Scroll down and click Save as Preset. Name it something like Consultant Performance View. Now you can load it anytime with one click. Step 5. Rearrange columns for easy reading. Drag your most important columns to the left. Results, cost per result, leads, cost per lead, amount spent, CTR. This gives you the entire story of your ad performance at a glance. And that's how you set up Facebook ads columns for consultants. With this view, you'll know exactly where your money is going and which ads are bringing real clients. If you enjoyed this tutorial, hit like, subscribe, and drop a comment for more Facebook ads tips.